Good morning. So we are officially moved in. There's still a few things that we have at the other house that we didn't want to bring here because it's either trash or it's either we're going to donate or we're going to sell. So we still have the house, the rental house through August. So we're good. I went yesterday to go vacuum and clean and stuff. It was the last day that the APS was going to be on. So today I'm going to focus on a couple of things. I'm going to organize the toys in the kids' room and finish organizing their clothes, just because I really want to start on the office and like the school stuff that I need to organize, because we start school on Monday and today is Wednesday. So I'm feeling the pressure with that. But the only problem with that is that I still have to assemble a couple of things for the office, and that's going to take up some time. So right now I have the opportunity to do the kids' room because they're not here. They're at my mom's. So I think I'm going to do that. So let's see what I get done today. But first of all, good morning view. So this part of the house is pretty much done. Obviously, this is a part of the kids' toys and stuff that I put here for Mavis, but I'm gonna keep the majority of the stuff in the playroom. But yeah, all this is pretty much done. I might move my plants. I might, you know, do a little bit of switching it up here. The couch is a mess. This is school stuff, books mainly. I need to build a bookshelf, which is there. I have this clothes rack that I need to assemble. That's not dire. This is the office. I did move the furniture yesterday, so this will be like Ramses' area. This is gonna be my area. I know it looks crazy and messy, but this room is super cool. It's really nice and spacious, so we'll see what else we add in here. We are gonna have a TV in here. This is our room. Extra things that just don't have a home yet. The dresser is just like a catch-all for things. I got new lamps. The old lamps are still chilling in here. I don't know if I'm gonna use them somewhere else. So here is the playroom. This is how it's going to be set up, just like this. I'm going to keep the nuggets here. They have a TV in here, so it's gonna be like a little hangout area, playroom, school with school stuff in it, like storage. Mavis is doing a preschool this year, so it's a lot of play-based stuff. So it's not anything that I don't want in here. I want to encourage her to play with certain things. So obviously no decor up yet, anything like that. I just threw everything in here. But yeah, there's just stuff everywhere. One of the kids is using this closet. It says the bathroom. I just got them these cute little bath mats. That's the vibe I want in here. Just like a fun, like funky, cool vibe. So this is the bunk bed we got them. It's a full over full with a trundle that pulls out down here, which is a twin bed. I want to keep this area pretty clear of stuff just so that it's not too cluttered in here. We gave them our end tables to use as little dressers. Well, they are kind of like dressers. We just use them as end tables. And then this is still some of their clothes I have to unpack. Clothes is unpacked pretty much. Lots to do still, lots to do. All right, the pile is gone. The kids, I hate this, but you know, they love it. So this is what I got done. I ended up just putting the math manipulatives up here. I put the Play-Doh basket up there. There's no Play-Doh in there. It's just all the Play-Doh stuff. And then I had bought these prior to moving so that way when we moved, I would be able to do this. So the kids have these little squishy things. They also have like little tiny foods and stuff. So they also have the LOL OMG doll accessories. So these were great to organize that stuff. This is furniture for their dolls. These are the actual dolls. This is clothing. I put these little horses here and just random stuff down here. It's not really organized. It's more like paper stuff, books. That's Sissy's jewelry making box. This is mostly Mavis's toys here. This is like a new toy she just got, so I just organized it like that. These are all those the little figurines that she has. Little trailer, blocks. These are fidgets mostly, but then I just threw this in here. This should really go in here. Her little busy book, her little keyboard, or her little laptop, I should say. These are like little flowers, and then I just kind of decorated a bit. Trains, blocks. Tony box is here with the little figures. Again, like I said, this is just starting the process. I put a lot of stuff in here. This is like extra shoes. I'm still going to organize this closet better. I'm gonna buy something to put all of the plushies in and stick it in this corner. It's like a square thing until that comes. And then here are the books. And then this stuff I need to take out of here that doesn't belong in here. More like signs and stuff, decor. There's nothing but like bags and hats in there. I watched Jack and Jill, that movie with Adam Sandler, and then I just started watching We're the Millers. I'm like 30 minutes in or something. So yeah, it took me like 2 hours or so. I put this up too. I found it at Home Goods. I thought it was so cute. And then I've had this little giraffe. I bought it at World Market literally like 8-9 years ago when we first had Jet. Thought it was so cute and it fit perfect right there. Okay, so I took everything out that doesn't belong just so that you guys can get a better view. I can get a better idea of how everything looks. So cute. So it's 11:20. I'm done in here for now. I have so much room in here. I love it. Probably gonna put like the posters that I had in the schoolroom either on this wall or on this wall. Yeah, these two walls have a lot of space to put stuff, so I'll see how I do it. This is staying here. I figured since they have a TV in here now that it'll be a lot better to just keep the nuggets here. If they want to use it for forts and stuff, they can take it apart, but this will be the home that it usually will be when we clean up. Okay, so this is today's task. Got to get this playroom finally done. I've been doing a little switching around of things here and there and just having just a better organization situation. I wanted to keep everything on this wall. Here's a little overview. I do have a storage thing that I bought and I need to put together for the stuffed animals. So I'll do that too. I bought a new rug. This rug's gonna go here in the middle somewhere, but obviously I need to get everything else situated, sweeping off the floor before I put that down. So yeah, that's the task for the day. Here's just a little overview of the room. And yes, this goes into the bathroom and then into their bedroom. These are what I use for them to organize all their little toys and little accessories and stuff. And keep it nice and organized. They have clothes here for their dolls. See, like this stuff is already getting messy. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so I decided to put the nuggets like this. That way there's more room on the carpet. I was going to put them back the way that they were, like this way from the wall. But I feel like this gives them like 2 seating options. And I decided to put the carpet all the way this way so that it wouldn't get in the way of the chairs. Now to just put everything back and clean up. The camera just played me. Didn't record anything I was doing right now, but I basically, the little corner that I hadn't organized yet for Mavis's stuff, her toys and stuff, I just organized it. I'm trying to keep things in categories like pretend play, kitchen stuff, food items, fidgets, blocks, trains, like little miniature toys and stuff. Like, so all that stuff I try to just have it organized in different bins. Everything else that's kind of bulky, big, doesn't really have a place, can't really fit in a bin, are gonna get organized in the closet. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Actually, okay, I have some items that belong over in the living room where Mavis's little kitchen is at. So I'm gonna take this stuff over there, and I know for sure I have stuff over there that belongs over here. So let's do that first, and then I'll organize the closet. Toys are done. Everything's done. Now I have to go through the bin that's in the hallway that is decor. So I have a couple of shelves. I have stuff that was in the schoolroom because we had a dedicated schoolroom in the rental house that we were in. But here we have like a dining room, and then we had the extra room for the playroom. So I'm kind of just using the decor from the schoolroom in the playroom, because we didn't really have any decor or anything in the playroom. We just had a tapestry, and I think I'm gonna put that tapestry over here above the girls' like play table where they have all their doll stuff, because I can see how this area can look kind of cluttered and it might change. I'm thinking about getting them like an actual dollhouse, because they just have a bunch of different doll accessories, and they have like a glamper, they have a closet, Barbie closet thing, and they've just made their own little house. So eventually I think I'm going to get them an actual dollhouse, but for now it's going to be like this. So I'm going to put the tapestry on this wall here, I'm pretty sure. I got them this cute astrology calendar, so it tells them the zodiac signs and all of that. I got it at HomeGoods. Okay, so Ramses got home and after much work, especially with these little bungee cord thingies, we got the little stuffed animal zoo thing built. I think it's pretty good. I mean, I thought it was going to be smaller and not as like sturdy, but it's pretty sturdy. It's going to go right there. So I thought this was gonna get all filled up, but there's room. Okay, the girls are home, but here's the room. So I ended up putting this here. The little zoo there.
We have a zoo.
The twinkly lights look so cute.